I'm about to show you how Grandma sings hilarious, so just hold on. Hopefully she's still doing it.
Don't miss the Toys R Us Wrap It Up 2-Day Sale, Sunday 7 a.m. to midnight and Monday 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. with our special doorbusters Sunday 7 a.m. to noon. Save up to 50% off select items from leading brands like Crayola, Cars, Tyco, Edison, Hot Wheels, Little Tikes, and more. Plus, take 40% off all table games, dartboards, and pinball machines. The Toys R Us Wrap It Up 2-Day Sale. Your last chance to save on the toys that inspire your child's imagination. Toys R Us. Time for childhood. Exclusions apply. See store for details. Continental U.S. only.